my channel. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make masala peanuts recipe. So I'm gonna show you the required ingredients for this recipe. I have some rice flour, some besan flour, some salt, some ginger garlic paste, asafoetida, and some chili powder. And here I have some groundnut and some water for combining everything together. Here I have a mixing bowl. So let's add the peanuts. Some salt. Here I have some 2 teaspoons of rice flour. Let's add it. I have some besan flour. Let's add 3 spoons. Here I have 1 teaspoon of red chili. This ginger garlic paste. Asafoetida. Let's mix it all together. I'm just using my hand. I'm gonna just sprinkle some water, a very little, because it should not get so pasty. Here I have the perfect layer of coating. Now let's fry it. Now let's add it to the oil. Wow, see that bubble? Now this is the perfect stage to take it out. Yummy. See how nice it is. Now let it cool down and let's taste it. It's time to taste. It's so crispy, so tasty. You should try this recipe. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.